Hey guys, Mortgage Loan Lady AJ here with Simple Mortgage in Flint Township, Michigan. We service all areas of Michigan, specifically to myself, Genesee County, Saginaw County, Shiawassee County. I wanted to, and all the other places, of course. But I wanted to jump on here today and just kind of give you guys some good news, especially if there's anyone out there that has a low credit score and they really want to purchase a home and they just feel a little discouraged. This story is for you guys. So I had a borrower that came to me in May, and him and his family, they were interested in purchasing a home. He had stable income, a stable amount of assets, stable amount of debts, but his credit was it was a little too low. It was too low. So I took him through my personal credit counseling service. And of course, if you guys didn't already know, I do a lot of credit counseling. That's probably half of my job. So if there's anyone out there that has a low score that would like to get in touch with me, please do. You can Google me at Loan Lady AJ. Just Google that and you'll get all of my information. Again, it's Loan Lady AJ. As I was saying, so we went through my credit repair process per se. I listed everything, told him exactly what he needed to do, how he needed to do it, how he needed to make sure that, obviously his income continued to stay stabilized, his assets were still there and not using too much assets to pay off credit card debt. So, it's a full model and every borrower is different. And the reason why I'm expressing this one specifically is because one, they were so young. Number two, they were first time home buyers. Number three, they hadn't received any type of financial education or financial literacy in the typical school setting, school setting. And then on top of that, they truly, they listened. And when you have borrowers that are young and in trouble, student loan debt, just they're young and in trouble with their credit score already, you just gotta, I have a need to okay, let me help you guys understand how this works. I can help you get there. So I'm saying all of that to say he came to me in May, and I'm proud to announce that yes, I was able to give him his pre-approval yesterday, and I am so proud of these borrowers. So again, this is for all of the people that may have an issue with their credit, and they are really, really trying to buckle down, and they want to purchase a home, but they kind of don't know where to start. Come and see me. This is your Loan Lady AJ. I'm right here in Michigan. I'm in Flint Township. I have a satellite office in Farmington, in Detroit. We also have one in Shelby. We also have one in Clio. And I can personally meet any of you at any one of those offices. So again, this is your Loan Lady AJ. Just giving you some updates on good news. Some good news. All right, guys. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.